The Zero Song.
If I had 10 apples and gave them all away, I would then have 0 apples today. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now I have no more. 0, 0, 0 apples today. 0, 0, 0 apples. I gave them all away.
We each have an apple we can buy. Once we eat all our apples, there'll be 0 apples inside. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now there are no more. 0, 0, 0 apples we say. 0, 0, 0 apples. We ate them all today.
Once I caught a fish alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did I let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little one upon the right. I have $6.
I have $6, yes, I have $6. I've never had so much money I could spend. So I spent $1 of it, I lent another. Now I have $4 to share with my friend. I have $4, yes, I have $4. I've never had so much money I could spend. So I spent $1 of it, I lent another. Now I have $2 to share with my friend. I have $2, yes, I have $2. I've never had so much money I could spend. So I spent $1 of it, I lent another. Now I have nothing to share with my friend. I now have nothing, yes, I now have nothing. With nothing, how can I share with my friend? I have laughter and I have kindness and I have time that I'm happy to spend.